Yes, very, very good evening, everyone. Hello, everyone. How are you all? A very, very good evening to all of you. Come on, show me your presence fast. Yes. Good evening, Alam, Parth, Komal, Shreya, Gaurav, Sayyid ji, Vaishali, Shankaran, Mohammad Sohail, Shubham, Ajay, Manish, Minakshi, Anmol, Akif, Kadamri Bhatt, Parth, Santigya, Swati Pandey. Very, very good evening, beta. Yes, come on. सुरेंद्र विद्या शिवम रामदेवी ज्योति मोनिका शिवांजनी नेहा अंजना मछीहा प्रिंस जलेरा रामनिवास केशव शगुफ्ता अशोक मानसी ऋतुराज श्रुति जलेदा लोकेश भाविका बिहुला. Yes, very good evening. Waiting for class. Yes, don't worry. Class is yours. And we are now here. Shivanjani. Yes, Ram Jha. Radhe Radhe. Priyanka. Very good evening, beta. Vandana. Sanithya. Payor Nidhi Das. Tanu. Tampa Sen. Rani. Amulya. Lokesh. Rohit. Mansi Gupta. Sanjeevani Chauhan. Rahul. Tripti, Pratik, Vibika, Neha, and all rest of the students. Ankur, Jore Daku, Are Bapre, Miss Jore Dhaku, wow, okay, Miss Jore Daku, and Shatrudhan Prashad. Yes, very, very good evening to all of you, all rest of the students. Okay. So everyone, now be full of very, very energetic. Again, we are here with Accounting Center 7, and as I promised that first of all, I will practice with you all Accounting Center 7, and after that, we shall be moving to the doubts of AS 22. And only after that, we shall be moving to the next. Yes, I have noted your illustration 2, 3, and TYK 9, I am not able to understand. Okay, can I start now? I'm also fine, beta. Come on, give me a ready, everyone. Give me a ready fast and be energetic. Okay, let's revise the concept first, and after that we shall move to the question. And I told you that I have given you a Brahmastra. As you know, Brahmastra, yes, that will never be missing your result. So in this question, in the Accounting Center 7, you have to apply only these 3 steps and you will be finding the correct question. So before that, we shall be moving to the revision. We have discussed meaning of the contracts. We have discussed these 2 topics from the study material. Meaning of the contracts. What do you mean by contracts? We have revised. Okay, we have discussed. And applicability means that is applicable for all organization. And then we have discussed contract revenue, contract cost, contract profit, contract type, short term, long term. Short term means within the 1 year that is being completed. More than 1 year, that is long term. And the revenue recognition rules. Come on, everyone. Let's recall these points. In the case of contract revenue, we understood that these are the contract revenue. Okay, I'm just looking to the message. Okay, AS11 also, don't worry. How to adjust detail? Yes, but that will be covered in that. Okay, so now I am test your knowledge. Okay, test your knowledge. TYK means test your knowledge. Okay, I got it. Okay, now please see 6 and 7 also in Hindi, Sohail. Okay, beta, don't worry. Up to the last class, we have discussed only illustration number 6, and don't worry, I will discuss today illustration number 6 since we are revising up to the last class. Okay, and that will be discussed in Hindi also. Don't worry. So please first revise the concept. So for 2 to 3 minutes, I request to all of you, please stop your message for 2 or 3 minutes so that I may not miss your message, because I want to reply your all of message, beta. Okay, so let's revise first. So I am expecting that only for 2-3 minutes. Up to the time I am revising, a message will not be here, so that I may attend your all of messages. Okay, beta. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, now revise. So contract revenue means in we have understood the definition of contract revenue, where we find out the initial price agreed between the contractor and the contractee, plus the incentive was the reward for completing the work earlier before the target, and that was being payable by contractee to contractor. But remember, these things, these and these, will be included only if those have been accepted by the contractor. That's the main point. As I told you, I stopped the last class that I do not want to miss anything. I want to complete the things in the sequence. Beta, these two things are totally depending on the situation. If contractor has completed the work before the time target, in that case, some motivational, some incentives are also there, and those will be added in the contract revenue, so that we can calculate the correct profit and correct contract price. Now, variation in the contract, that may be due to escalation clause. Okay. Now, next, second point is claims. But claims and incentive will be added to the revenue only if both of them have agreed for that. Both of them have agreed that yes, this is the claim. Claim means any compensation, any loss which is being occurred to contracted due to any loss which is being occurred to contractor because of delay or because of any reason, which is the which is the reason because of contractee. If because of contractee something is lost there to contractor, that will be compensated. That is called claim, and that will be adjusted. That will be added to revenue only if contractor has agreed. Contractee has agreed that yes, contractee will pay to contractor. Okay. Anyways, next point. Contract cost. We have understood in the last class that the contract cost may be direct, may be allocated. The cost directly related to the contract, which can be easily identifiable, that is called direct, which can be directly related. Second is allocated, when the cost is distributed, that as you have already learned in the costing also, I think. If you have not learned, then please understand this concept, that when common cost is there for more than one contract, like machinery is being used for more than one contract, so the depreciation cannot be charged to a single contract. That will be distributed according to the rules and some understanding in all the contracts in which machinery is being used. Yes, beta. Now see, specifically chargeable. When some cost is there, that is specifically chargeable because of that is being incurred because of particular project, that is called specifically chargeable cost. Okay, beta. But contract cost never includes selling and distribution, depreciation of ideal fixed assets, means those are not being used in the contract. It doesn't mean that that its depreciation will be charged to the contract. Okay, beta. In that case, depreciation will not be charged to the contract cost. Okay. Now see, next one. General office and administration expenses, those belong to office, those will not be charged directly to contract. Now please understand this. First of all, we calculate. How we calculate? See, how we calculate? We calculate for each and every contract. Suppose this is contract 1, contract 2, and here is what cost, and here is what revenue. Here direct cost, indirect cost, and all the costs which I have discussed just few minutes ago, those will be adjusted here. And then what will happen? Then net profit or loss. Suppose net profit is there. Suppose net profit. Don't say net profit. That is profit is there. Yes. If we have to recognize as per the rules, then profit will be transferred to P&L. Profit 1, profit of contract 1, profit of contract 2, and after that the common expenses to other expenses, those which cannot be directly charged to a contract which have not been discussed here, which have been excluded from here, those will be directly transferred to P&L. Okay, beta. It doesn't mean that they will not be charged. They will be charged, but they will be charged directly to P&L, and then final net profit of the organization will be calculated. Come on. In this accounting standard, since the name of the accounting standard is what? Revenue-based accounting standard. In this, we have to understand what we have to understand. Since the word revenue, this belongs to gross sales, gross receipts, which can be directly transferred to contract to compare with the cost associated with the contract, so that we can find out the profit figure. So how the revenue can be recognized to the contract? Okay, beta, your teaching is very speedy. Beta, for the time being, I am just revising the earlier class. Okay, beta. Puneet, I think you are now first time in my class. Beta, it's the time to revise. So, you know, all the students are not messaging. They, I have communicated with them. You are late right now. I have stopped them to message. So please, for 2 to 3 minutes, we are waiting for the revision. So these are the types of the contract: fixed price contract, cost plus contract. In the case of fixed price contract, what we have discussed up to the last class, either maybe with escalation clause or without escalation clause. Okay, beta. Next, second contract is there, that is cost plus contract, in which how the contract price is decided on the above the cost, some percentage of margin of profit is added, and then final contract price is calculated. Next one, revenue recognition rule. Beta, in this especially we have to follow some rules for which specially accounting standard has been designed. First of all, we must understand what do you mean by the method of revenue recognition rule. We have already discussed in the last class that how to record these rules, how to record the gross sales in the statement of profit loss. Okay, beta, there may be two situations. Either final revenue of contract can be estimated reliably, or the final revenue of contract cannot be estimated reliably. If the final contract price cannot be estimated reliably, in that case, what was decided as per the accounting standard, that in that case, don't book profit. Book revenue is equal to cost incurred. Whatever the cost you have incurred, whether in the form of raw material, labor, overheads, equal to that, you must recognize the revenue. Next one, and what we discussed up to the last class, in the final revenue, if the final revenue of contract can be estimated reliably, then revenue will be recognized on the basis of stage of completion. But a stage of completion, study matter has told us, AS7 has told us that stage of completion will be calculated in this priority method. Beta, understand these things properly, please. Although it's a revision, but still I want to give you some hints, some more hints here, because this is the main thing based on which you have to solve the question. Devraj, bete, definitely I will teach slowly. This is the revision time. I am not teaching right now. I am just revising up to the last class. After revising the concept, I will move to questions. So stage of completion can be calculated in either of these ways. Number one method. What was the method? That was, we have discussed in the last class, cost completion method. It means on the basis of cost incurred. Beta, whatever the cost we have incurred, that will be find out in the question, and that will be compared with the total estimated cost up to the point of time whenever we are calculating this, and multiplied by 100. Normally in the private organization, such a kind of method is really very, very popular. Physical survey method, and next one is work certified. Normally in the government organization, such method is used to calculate the revenue. But nowadays I am on audit of an organization in which the contractor is working for Nagar Nigam's contracts, in which they are booking the revenue based on the work certified, in which the government department person comes to their site and they check whether they have worked the contract as per the requirement, and if they satisfy, they give the certificate to the contractor that up to this you have completed the work, and up to that the government is organizing, sorry, contractor is recognizing the revenue. So beta, in the last class, we have solved a question also. Beta, I told you some steps here, and now it's the time to get slow again. Since up to this we were revising the theoretical portion, the discussion portion, which I have already discussed up to the last class. Please let me know, is there any doubt before this? Because after that we shall be revising again the contract profit, and which shall be used in the question. But before that, I want to discuss with you all. I want to know that before that, any doubt is there up to the point number 4? So I am waiting, beta. Come on, let me know. Divya, Jaleda, Kiran, Devraj, Puneet, beta. It was the revision, okay, of the last class. Since we have to complete the practice also. So first, I was revising the last class. Okay, beta. Maybe you felt some fast because you were not there, I think, in the last class. Sachin, no doubt. No, sir. All clear. Clear, sir. No, sir. Depreciation for machinery used in the contract, it will be calculated on SLM or WDV. Beta, that will be given in the question. Okay, beta. शिवराजनी, ओके सर, इनकरप्टेड नोट्स रिकवर हुआ या नहीं? हो गया बेटा, रामजा मैंने अपलोड कर भी दिया. मैंने उसका नाम ही करप्टेड फाइल के नाम से मैंने अपलोड कर रखा है, आप देखो ध्यान से. उसी दिन कर दिया था वो, भगवान ने किया, रिकवर करा दिया, और मैंने आपको दे भी दिया था. नो डाउट सर, कॉन्सेप्ट एकदम क्लियर. नो सर, एवरीथिंग इजी, अंडरस्टूड सर. नो, ऑल क्लियर. नो डाउट, नो डाउट, नो डाउट, नो डाउट, ऑल क्लियर. लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन. वेरी गुड अंकुर, क्लियरली ऑल इजी. बेटा, आई हैव नॉट येट रिवाइज्ड a part, and that is being revised now slowly, because that will be completely using in the question. Now listen to me very carefully. Stage of completion. After finding out the stage of completion, how we shall calculate the profit? Of course, current year revenue will be calculated for each and every year. Suppose this is what year number 1, year number 2, and we shall be calculating year wise contract revenue as per come on, as per AS7. We shall be calculating revenue for each and every year, and after that we shall be comparing that revenue with the contract cost, just like we have calculated the sales and we are comparing with the cost of goods sold, and we are finding the profit or loss. So beta, now see here, accounting standard 7 told in the last class also that as per AS7, it is very important that we have to recalculate at each and every year. What we have to calculate? We have to estimate the future situation. That at each and every year end, we have to check, is there any future estimated losses or profit? If there is future estimated losses, if estimated loss is there in future, then okay, मैं रिवाइज कराऊंगा बेटा, अभी हिंदी में भी करा दूंगा. सर प्लीज एक्सप्लेन हिंदी. देखो बेटा, ओके, आई एम आल्सो टैकलिंग द हिंदी स्टूडेंट आल्सो. बेटा, अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड 7 के अकॉर्डिंग हम क्या करते हैं बेटा? गुड इवनिंग बेटा माधव. हम क्या करते हैं चंद्र प्रकाश जी? AS7 के अकॉर्डिंग रेवेन्यू कैलकुलेट करते हैं. पहले हर साल में कितना हमारा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रेवेन्यू होगा, हाउ मच कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रेवेन्यू विल बी इन ईच ईयर. और हम क्या करते हैं, उसको ना क्या करते हैं, उस साल की कोस्ट से कंपैरिजन करते हैं. एंड व्हाट वी डू, वी कंपेयर दैट रेवेन्यू विद द कोस्ट इनकर्ड इन दैट ईयर. सो ईयरली रेवेन्यू इज कंपेयर विद द ईयरली कोस्ट. यस भाई, हर साल के रेवेन्यू का हर साल की कोस्ट से कंपैरिजन करेंगे और क्या निकालेंगे? हर साल का प्रॉफिट या फिर लॉस. एंड वी कैलकुलेट ईच एंड एवरी ईयर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. बेटा, AS7 एक चीज और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बताता है. AS7 टेल्स अस वन मोर थिंग, that at each and every year end, हर साल के एंड में we have to calculate, we have to recheck, we have to re-estimate. हमें दोबारा से एक बार देखना पड़ता है भाई, बजटेड कोस्ट, बजटेड रेवेन्यू कंपैरिजन करो, फ्यूचर में कोई लॉस दिख रहा है क्या? We have to recalculate, re-estimate that if we are seeing the future loss, if yes, then we have to recognize that loss immediately, because we are always working on prudence concept. Okay beta, so current year loss is also calculated by comparing the current year revenue minus current year cost. And after that, we have to adjust this one also. Beta, this is really very, very important thing that is being colored as pink. Based on the estimated cost and estimated revenue comparison, we are finding the estimated loss. Out of that loss, whatever the current year loss is, balancing figure is we are to provide in the books of account, because we are seeing whatever the future loss, because current year loss plus additional loss we are seeing in the next future coming period. So that has to be provided in the books, and in that case, we can say that we are completely following the prudence. Suppose, come on, suppose everyone. If we suppose that in the very future, we are seeing profit, not the loss, then okay, there is no need to create provision further for future losses, because there is no future loss as per the estimation. Then recognize the current year profit. And now I am looking for the message, re-estimate, the revised estimate to be calculated at each year. And yes, beta Suman, at each and every year. And Divya, everything is clear. Thank you, beta. Sir, if we have greater profit in the current year, then future estimated profit also book in current year. No, beta, no, Faisal, because we are prudent. We cannot book future profit, but we book future estimated losses as per prudence concept. That is a basic fundamental. Okay, beta. Next, sir, please explain example of direct cost related to temporary house on contract side. Okay, beta, I will explain. Wait a minute. First, let me revise the things which are in flow. Okay. So, beta, for this, what we have done, I have generated some 3 steps. You have to follow these 3 steps. As like, suppose there is a contract. We have discussed in the last class this example. Can I revise these things by way of your revision of illustration number 7, as we have already completed in the last class? Yes. Please open the solution of illustration number 6, which we have already covered in the last class. Come on, everyone. We solved the illustration. Very good, Alam Sheikh. Yes, beta. Very good. Come on, let's revise. बेटा हिंदी में जो बच्चे कह रहे थे ना इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 6 को बता देना, आज मैं दोबारा से उसको बता रहा हूँ, रिवाइज कर रहे हैं हम लोग. तो इलस्ट्रेशन नंबर 6 की बात करेंगे और उसके बाद हम बढ़ेंगे आगे क्वेश्चन में. बहुत जरूरी है, बस समझ लो AS7 खत्म. अब आपको तो बस क्वेश्चन पे अप्लाई करते जाना है. यही 3 स्टेप जो मैं यहाँ पे करा रहा हूँ. Sir, if some government interruption who will also contact non-compliance, beta Rahul, in that case there will always be some of the clause in the agreement. Okay, beta, definitely that will be covered in the escalation clause. Whatever you are asking, I know whatever you are asking, because of government interruption, if there is something abnormal, then that will be transferred to P&L. Abnormal cost will never be charged to contract. But if there is any normal interruption, and due to that, if the price maybe changes, then there will be definitely escalation clause in the agreement. Okay, because as we are thinking in the same way, both the contractor and contractee will also be thinking. Okay, beta. Sir ji understood the concept but could not solve the problem. Beta, अभी कहाँ practice हुई है? You cannot solve the question without the practice. It's the practice time. If loss should be recognized current plus making provision. Yes, beta Suman, absolutely perfect, beta. 8.11 last para, please explain. Page number 8.11. Beta, let me know. First, come to illustration number 6. Illustration number 6. Beta, please revise the illustration number 6. We have although solved in the last class. I know this is the new concept for all of you. I will solve all the question, don't worry. Yes, illustration number 6 करा रहा हूं मेरे बच्चों, करा रहा हूं बेटा, रिया करा रहा हूं बाप. Yes. अनमोल ये क्या कर रहे हो? TYK पे भी आऊंगा. One by one, sequence by sequence. Okay. First cover this illustration number 6, as we have already done. Firm of contractor obtain a contract of construction of bridge across the river. Okay. Following what the details for 31st March 2001. Okay, everyone. Now see. Contract price is there, beta. This is what, can I say, this is what estimated estimated revenue. Yes, very easy. This is what estimated revenue. Beta, please follow the steps I have told you. See, step number one. Step number one. Come on, sing a song. Step number one. Estimated contract price. Calculate. Step number one. Estimated profit and loss, in which you will be doing estimated contract price. That is how much? 1000. Yes. Now, next one. Beta, work certified. Contractor came to know that only such work has been certified. This work has been certified. See, work certified, but the cost has been incurred. Work not yet certified, the cost has been incurred. Sir, is it necessary that work will be certified only in the case of contractor? No. What do you mean by certified? Will there be any certification? Not always. Beta, you are working for contractee, and if contractee is government, then there will be work certificate. If contractee is not the government, any other organization is there, then in that case, they will say approved. That is called work certified. Okay, beta, see. But one thing is that in both the cases, we are finding that such costs have been incurred by the contractee. Beta, it means, can we say 605 cost? This is what? Actual cost. Beta, see what I am writing here. Actual cost incurred till date. Till date. We are at 31st March 2001, year ending. I request you, all of you, please focus. Yes, I will solve all the past examination question also. Don't worry, beta. Yes, time has been permitted by respected ma'am. Okay, beta, I have taken the permission from them and they have allowed us some more lectures for practicing. Now please practice bindas. एकदम मस्त होके practice करो. Exam के question भी सारे class में होंगे. Now please see. But please confident रहो एकदम. जहां डाउट है तुरंत पूछो. Okay? तो भाई ये हमारी क्या actual cost. बेटा, question is saying, what do you mean by this? Come on, everyone. Who will tell me? I am waiting for a message. Who will tell me? What do you mean by this thing? Further, it means whatever you have incurred up to this 605, if you want to complete the further, it means further estimated cost. So can I say, if I want to ask you all, beta, how much cost is the estimated total cost? Sir, obviously, whatever the cost we have incurred up to this. And whatever this is what? This is actual cost, sir. Actual cost. And sir, this is what? Future cost. So we can easily say, if we want to check what the actual, what the estimated future, estimated cost of the contract, overall estimation was, sir, you can add this and you can find it, because the estimated total cost was there. Out of that, 605 have been incurred and the remaining is there. That has to be incurred in the future, near coming future, so that contract may be completed. So can we add both of these to find out the estimated total cost? Yes, very good. So total becomes how much? Can I say estimated total cost is how much? Come on, everyone. I discussed with all of you in the last class. This is the graph up to the year end first. We have discussed this thing that work certified and work uncertified both will be added. Then we shall find out the actual cost. 605. This is what? Actual cost. This is what? Actual cost, which have been incurred up to the year end. Yes, sir. And in the future further cost, it seems that contract will be completed by expending 495 more. So if I want to know what the total estimated cost will be, then we can easily find out in this way. The total estimated cost will be 1100, because costs which have been incurred plus in the future we have to incur, that becomes the total. That is the total estimated cost of contract. So can I compare this for calculating my for completing my step number 1? As I told you, please apply these steps in each and every question. You will find the solution perfectly. Beta, CA roll What is the CA rule? Rohit beta, CA is really very, very helpful in this situation. You know, in the organization, we are finding the things are not proper as per the requirement of the India's and accounting standards. And CA is definitely not only doing the audit, they are helping also in calculating, in giving the consultancy so that they can calculate the revenue properly. Today also, I have same experience in this in the same industry. I recommended them a proper sheet. In this way, you have to calculate the revenue. And I seriously, you will not believe, you won't believe the same steps I have given to them in the Excel file. Nothing else. Nothing else. Anyways, okay, beta Rohit. Now see. So, beta, step number 1 is there. Estimated contract price we are finding in this case 1000, and estimated cost we are finding 1100. Such comparison is being done at each and every year end. In this question has given us whatever the question has given us. That is what. Come on, everyone. Year ended 31st March 2001. So here we are at 31st March 2001. Okay, 2001 at year end. So beta, at year end we are estimating that in future what we are seeing, future loss or profit, that will be calculated in this way. Come on, let me know, everyone. Step number 1 is okay or not? Give me the message. I am waiting. Come on, tell me. Step number 1 okay? In the last class, we couldn't practice. In the last class, we discussed and we solved this illustration, but I was not satisfied with myself. Please let me know. Step number 1 is okay, everyone? Give me step 1 okay. Then we shall move to step number 2. Come on. I am waiting for a message. Divya, Kiran, Ankur, Tehseen, Shubham, Ramdevi, Meenakshi, Priyanka, and Anmol, Amulya, Suman, Hemlata, and all rest of the students. Office name has gone to the upper side. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. But a question requirement we have to understand. Yes. Clear. Okay. Now step number 2. We have to calculate the stage of completion. Beta, in this case, if question is not saying anything, then we have to apply the percentage completion method. You can say cost completion method. Okay. Now see how you will calculate the percentage completion. Beta, you will check how much cost have been incurred till the date. Sir, yes, beta. Sir, 1100 is total estimated total cost. Yes. And out of that 605 has been cost till date. So can we say 55% costs have been incurred? Yes, of course. Sir, why we are not calculating the percentage in respect of work certified? Because beta, I told you that until and unless question is specifically saying use work certified method for calculating revenue, don't apply, because that is normally used in the government organization. Okay, beta? Crystal clear. Step okay. Move to step number 2. Yes. Sir, yesterday also you explained clearly, sir. Yes, beta, but I do not want to miss anything. Okay, maybe something repetition, but that must be strongly clarity for all of you. Anyways. So, stage of completion is okay? Yes. Now, step number 3. Step number 3 is there. That is calculate the current year profit and loss. Beta, current year profit and loss will be calculated in this way. First, we have to put current year revenue. How that will be calculated? Sir, very simple. We shall multiply the contract price with the stage of completion. How much contract has been completed? How much percent the contract has been completed, and we shall find out the current year revenue. Beta, in the first year, up to this contract has been completed. So we have found out up to the first year what the revenue must be recognized. And after that, we shall compare the current year cost. Then we shall find out the current year profit or loss. Oh my God. In this case, it was loss. Current year loss. Now please let me know, everyone, I am waiting, that up to this everything is okay, up to current year loss everything okay. Please reply only up to this. Great explanation, sir. Sir, how do we calculate in work certified method, sir? In that case, beta Hibab, Bilal, in that case work certified becomes revenue. Okay, I'm not discussing with that there may be some confusion, because usually question doesn't ask, only one objective question is there in which such has been asked. Okay, anyways, what if there is an extra cost incurred which is included in the actual cost of step 2, sir? Means, sir, Malvika, I'm not getting exactly what you want to ask. Yes, sir, everything practically or perfectly clear up to this? No, sir. Check my previous comment, Rohit. My question is, if a contract is dealing multiple contract, okay, with different clients in 1 year, then how to make profit? Very good question, beta. You are asking the practical things. In a there are different, the same calculation is done practically. Dekho, first of all, you must understand that in the exam, you will find out only 1 or 2 contract maximum to maximum, for which you have to calculate. But in the practical life, all these calculation is done in the Excel files. Due to professional limitation, I cannot show them. Otherwise, while you will be calculating the things practically in the Excel file, you have to just mention the for each and every contract this as a table, and in one shot you get many contracts even in the one shot. Okay, so since due to limitation, I cannot show them, beta. But think only for your exam, you have to calculate either 1 or 2 contract maximum. Okay, maximum to maximum 3. Yes, sir, clear. Okay, sir, if in question given to take work certified, so we will be taking what we will be taking. But in that case, Vinakshi, we shall be assuming that work certified is revenue. That is our revenue. If question say specifically, okay, only then. Yeah, I am discussing that. Ramja, I am discussing that. Sir, multiple contract में contract wise करना पड़ेगा. Yes, बेटा. सुमन, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वाइज करना पड़ेगा. यही मैं कह रहा हूँ, प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ में बहुत सारे होते हैं, सबका ना एक्सेल शीट में सबका निकलता है अलग अलग से. ठीक है सर, प्लीज दिखा दीजिएगा. नो बेटा, ICAI will remove my name from membership because that will be professional misconduct. CA is the name of trust and that trust should not be break for every client. Anyways, so beta, this is the current year loss, and what we are seeing overall contract, there will be loss of 100. Oh my god, overall contract we are seeing that there will be loss of 100. It means if out of that already we have incurred in the current year how much? 55. Oh my god, 55 we have incurred the loss in the current year. It means we have to make provision for the future losses also. So beta, we have to make the provision. How much? Of course 45. Only then it can be equal to 100 now, because we are seeing overall contract 1 or 2 year. When we are adding for seeing future, that at the end of contract completion we are seeing that overall loss will be 100, and first year loss belongs the loss belongs to first year is equal to 55. It means in the next coming future we shall be incurring the loss of 45 that we have to provide in the books in advance. So whatever the things are here, we have to provide in this way. So total profit loss will be affected by ₹100. Okay beta? Okay sir. No want, हम आपसे पढ़ना चाहते हैं. Yes, thank you beta. Sir, please tell us which years is important for exam. Each and every year is important for exam. I am really very happy with the current syllabus because that syllabus is now practical. Anyways, let me know everyone, step number 3 okay or not? Please let me know everyone. I am waiting for your message that everything is clear up to this or not. Come on, let me know. I am waiting for a message everyone. Up to step number 3, everything is okay? Okay. In this example, if next year contract price will get increased due to rate, then what will happen? Keshav, for you, I have a question that will be practiced today. Question number 9. Don't worry. Question number 9. practical question, and more questions are also there, and you will feel that yes, the same things are being covered in the same question. Don't worry, I will practice all the question. Now we have get sufficient lecture. Anyways, can I move further? Yes sir, clear. Sir, when we make provision, that means we should have to maintain the balance in our bank account. No beta Anmol. That means we have to, yes, in another way you can say beta that we have to maintain the profit and loss level up to down. Okay beta, so that we cannot declare the dividend, we cannot distribute the profit if profit is there for in the other contract, and in another contract there is a loss. This is the situation. Then those will be netted off, and after that the final figure of profit loss will become. Okay, very okay, clear. Okay, now how to present these things in the statement of profit and loss? I told you in the last class, but uh, since you may be having doubt, I want to show them. So current year revenue is how much? 550. Okay, we have calculated. And current year actual cost is how much? This one. And for future coming loss, we are also creating the provision, that is how much? 45. It means in the reduction part of expenditure, whatever we are doing here, that becomes total 650. In this way, total loss booked in the current year, and the figure match with the estimated loss. So provision means proprietor doesn't get the profit of that amount. Yes beta Rituraj, absolutely perfect. सुमन is saying सर डीटीएल कराना होगा. यस बेटा, डीटीएल पक्का बेटा, बिल्कुल सही समझ रहे हो सुमन, वेरी गुड. Sir, for every answer we have to disclose the part as contract revenue, cost, actual, etc. Yes beta Rohit, definitely those will be discussed, those will be clearly told you. Okay beta, but please let's practice first what the figures are there. Anyways, so I think everyone is now okay with this. Come on, let's have a discussion of illustration number 5. Come on everyone, illustration number 5. Yes beta Ramja, absolutely perfect. But beta Ramja, those are calculating on estimation basis. Maybe in the very near future, estimates get revised. Okay. Anyways, come on everyone, let's practice. Show the profit and loss. Show the profit and loss in the books of a contractor in respect of data of year 1. Assuming that contract period is 2 years and contract is 100% completed by year number 2. Actual cost incurred is same as estimated. Can we have we discussed this question in the last class? Come on everyone. Okay, done. Illustration number done. Okay, in the earlier class. Okay, yes. So we have already solved this question in the last class. Okay, I am also taking this illustration since okay, now we are moving to illustration number 6. We have discussed. Now we are moving to illustration number 7. Beta, come on, move to illustration number 7. Illustration number 7. Come on, everyone. Okay. Okay. Beta, those things, although I have discussed in the last class, but still, if you are having doubt, okay, I am discussing those things. See, here, what the things we are finding here in this case. Illustration number 6. See. Okay, prepare contractee account also. Illustration number 6. Still we are on illustration number 6, and please prepare contractee account. Contractee account first. Contractee account first. Okay, now you will understand. Okay. Sir, I am very thankful for revision question. Okay, beta. Thank you, beta. No issue. It's your right. Amount due from customer, I don't understand. Don't worry. Now you will understand. Now please read this. How you will prepare the contactee account? Beta, from contactee, whatever the things you have done for the contactee. Yes, sir, we have done these cost incurred. Please write down cost incurred. Come on, everyone. In the form of work certified and work uncertified. If I am writing WC, it means, it doesn't mean working capital, it means work certified. And WUC, work uncertified. But how much amount is there? How much amount is there? That is 500 plus 105. How much? That is 605 is the amount that has been incurred as cost for the contactee. Illustration number 7 is completed by using your format of 3 steps by myself. Thank you, sir. Okay, beta, very good. You already completed contactee account, sir. Yeah, I know, but since some of you are having the doubt, I want to discuss the things completely. But these are the things which we have discussed in the last class, but don't worry, I'm discussing again. This is the cost incurred. What the things we are having? In this case, we are having the loss. Yes, sir. How much amount we are having the loss? Sir, we are having loss of rupees 600. It means we cannot demand more than this. How much we can demand? In this case, come on everyone. If we have incurred 605 as cost, but our loss cannot be demanded from the contactee by balance carried down, it means we can demand maximum to maximum 505, and that is what? That is our balance brought down. 505. Now how much we have demanded? Beta, usually student want that we want to write here whatever we have received, just like data. No, beta, don't write here received. Please understand, this is the special type of accounting in which you must understand that this is the things which you can demand. That is the bill that can be billed, and we have to reduce from here, not the received part. From here we have to reduce the amount that has been billed. But don't write here by bank. I know what the kind of mistakes can be because we are thinking like data. Please understand. Contactee we have incurred 605. Okay. Contactee we cannot demand 100. Okay. Contactee at least we can demand 505. Yes. Contactee whatever the amount we have demanded here, we are reducing. Billed revenue. Billed. This can be called billed for progress. It means progress billing. We have given this name progress billing. Progress billing. Whatever the work has been completed during the progress for which we want to bill. Beta, here we have received some information in the question. See how we found out such progress billing. Beta, question has given us the data that progress payment have been received. Can I remove all the rest of the things? Yes, I am removing rest of the highlighter so that you may be focused to the main point. See, progress payment we have received and progress payment we will be receiving. It means total billed amount. Billed, that is progress billing. This is called progress billing. So such amount has been billed. Out of that amount has been received 400 and 140 has not been received. So can I say out of that we have billed how much? 540. But total becomes 540 na? Yes. So 540 we have billed here. That is received and not received. While we do total, then we find out how much amount has been billed. So we have billed extra or less. Sir, we find out that we have billed extra. But if you are taking this account as debtor creditor account, then there may be problem. So this is the amount which have been billed extra. So in the very coming future, while further work will be completed, then we will not be billing for this 35, because for this we have already billed extra. Okay, beta. Next one. Next one, beta. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. Yes. So 35 have been extra billing. It means that will be shown as a liability because that is due. Okay, that is extra bill. Okay, beta. That is amount due to customer. Contactee means customer. Sir ji, question not given, and then in which format we should present profit loss account, company or proprietor. Beta, that's your choice. Okay, that's your choice. सर ये आप क्या बता रहे हैं बेटा? ये रिया जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन में हमने किया था ना, कॉन्टेक्ट अकाउंट, उसको डिस्कस किया था. What will be general entry for the same? Beta, very easy. You can easily do the general entry. Contact account debit to the cost incurred, of loss account debit to contactee, and etc. etc. Anyways, they will not asking you general entry for this. They will be directly asking for contactee account. Okay. Can I move to now illustration number 7, everyone? This was the point which we have discussed up to the last class. Beta, I have given you this for homework, and if anyone is having now clear, sir, by heart. Thank you, beta. Okay, everyone. Illustration number 7, I have given you in homework, and please let me know if there is someone who is having doubt, who has tried and having doubt. Please, honestly speak, asking, please give here either message here that sir we have not tried, or give here message that sir we have tried but not done, we are having doubt, or we have done. Illustration number 7 done. Sir, I sold illustration number 7. It was so simple. Okay, so I'm leaving this illustration. Okay, beta. Now please come to now next. Test your knowledge question. Okay, this is the thing which you are writing. TYK. Okay, TYK. Okay, I will also say now TYK. Come on, TYK. Homework completed, sir. No doubt, sir. Wow, you have completely all everyone. Okay, you have not tried. कोई बात नहीं बेटा, ट्राई नहीं किया तो बात अलग है, बट ट्राई करने के बाद होना चाहिए बस. यस, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड everyone is perfect now. Very good. Now please see, this is really very very good question, and see, XY Limited. Yes, very good. Okay. Sir ji, I will again solve. Not done, sorry. Beta, Alam Sheikh, not done means you have not tried, na? Complete, sir, and no doubt. Okay, beta. Yes. Now please see this question, everyone. Question number 1 to 3 are based on this. Beta, this type of questions are expected now in the coming exams. See, please practice these kind of questions very seriously. Okay, someone is saying, sir, please explain 8.11, page number, last para. Wait a minute, beta. I am, after discussing that, I will come to this. I tried and understood, but last part of the answer, not okay. 8.11. Wait a minute, beta. 8.11. Beta, you are discussing about this. What the doubt you are having in this? Yes. Meenakshi, what the doubt you are having in this? Cost actually incurred is 25 crore. And total value of contract is how much? 26 point this one. And this is the actual cost. And this is the profit. What the doubt you are having in this, beta? Please tell me, ask me fast so that I may utilize the class time properly. When the price is fixed based on the cost, assume that costs expected to be incurred by ABC are 16 crore. Assuming expected cost. Thus, ABC can charge a profit of 4 crore, that is 25% on actual cost. The contract price will be, in that case, how much? Beta, in that case, plus 25%, that is what? 4. It becomes 20. Okay. Price fixation based on actual cost incurred, scenario 1. However, if cost incurred by ABC, in that case, what will happen, beta? If 15 crore, 15 crore, sorry, 25% of 15 is, so 15 plus 3.75 becomes how much? 18.75. That has been given here. Okay. Price fixation. Total value of contract will stand revised as follows. Actual cost. Okay. Price fixation based on the actual cost incurred, scenario 2. Okay. Scenario T2 means they are talking about this one, cost for fixation, and we taken actual cost or 20 crore, whichever is less. Agreed price will be revised depending upon the actual cost incurred. The cost for fixation will be taken as actual cost or 20 crore, whichever is less. Okay. And here questions for unavoidable reason, the cost incurred by ABC 25 crore, it can be only be charge a profit on the expected cost of 22 crore. Okay. Thus total value of control shall revise. It can only charge a profit expected cost 22 crore. Yes, beta. Why 20% is taken, not 25? Okay, beta. Wait a minute. The cost for fixation will be taken actual cost of 22 crores. एक्चुअल कोस्ट 22 करोड़ whichever लेस, ठीक है ना? और एक्चुअल कोस्ट हमारी कितनी है? एक्चुअल भाई टोटल कोस्ट इनकर्ड कितनी है भाई? 25 करोड़ है, ठीक है. अब 25 करोड़ या फिर 22 है, 22 जो दोनों में से कम होगा, ठीक है. 22 हो गया. एक्सपेक्टेड कोस्ट कितनी होगी? 22 प्लस 4, 20% ऑफ कोस्ट. I will check and I will tell you later on, beta. Yes, you are right. I think there may be some issue. Let me check. Okay, beta. I will confirm after the analysis. Okay, beta. Anyways, please move to now test your knowledge question number 1. Meenakshi, I will discuss. I will tell you later on. Okay, beta. Don't worry. Let me give some time for this analysis. So, question number 1. Okay, Meenakshi. Yeah, Divya, maybe I couldn't actually, I have not checked, and if I will check, then that will consume our class time right now. That maybe there may be some small point. Yes, maybe you are saying right. Anyways, X Limited agreed to construct a building. Come on, everyone. Come on, construct a building on behalf of client, that is GS Limited, on 1st April 2001. See, expected completion time is 3 years. Okay. Expected completion time is 3 years. Yes. XY Limited incurred a cost. But can I say this is what? Actual cost, actual cost, actual cost. This is what? Actual cost. Can I say this is what? Actual cost. Next one. up to 31st March 2001. Beta, you know, contract was started on 1st April. Yes, sir. And first year data has been given that in the first year you have incurred the cost. How much? That is 30 lakhs. It is expected that additional cost of 90 will be required. Total contract price is how much? Beta, this is what? Come on, everyone. Contract price, contract price, contract price. Beta, further cost, further cost, further cost. I don't think so. I need to give you uh, discuss this thing in so much of detail, but still, I want to complete all the question. So, beta, as at 31st March 2002, XY Limited has billed 42 lakhs as per the agreement. Now, question is saying, assuming that work is completed to the extent of 75% by the end of year 2. So, so beta, see, question is saying at the end of second year, 75 work was completed. Beta, but what about the year end first? What about the year end first? Because contract was started on 1st April 2001 and question is asking to us what the revenue to be recognized in the year number first. What about the revenue to be booked in year number 1? Very good, very good, very good. So, if you will say, then I will start with the complete steps. Anyways, I want to give you complete step beta. Please write down here answer number. Please write down here answer number. First give heading here, test your knowledge. Answer number 1. Beta, in the question, there are some more things. They are being asked in the second part and third part of the question. Same question. Anyways, so if you follow the complete step, then you will be finding the answer in one shot for all. Step number 1, calculate. As I told you, if you utilize these steps, you will find all the question answers. Calculate estimated profit and loss. Okay, sir. And how you will calculate? Sir, very simple. Contract price is there. We can say the estimated revenue is there. Yes. Estimated revenue is there. And estimated cost is there. Sir, we are not finding the estimated cost. Beta, actually estimated costs have been given into two parts. The actual cost which you have incurred, the further expected cost which you will incur to complete the contract. Beta, this is the data belonging to year number 1. Year number 1. That is 31st March 2002. 31st March 2002. Sir, your teaching style is very interesting. Thank you, Beta Mansi. Thank you so much, Beta, for this appreciation. Step number 1. And in this case, we shall find out the estimated profit and loss. Profit or loss. Beta, see, what is estimated revenue, sir? So simple. That has been given rupees 112. The figures are in lakhs, I think. Hai na? Yes. Figures are in lakhs. Next one. How much is the cost? Sir, cost has been incurred till date. How much? 30. How much will be required to incur? 90. It means total 120 is the estimated total cost. Now, we are seeing in the coming future there will be how much loss, sir? There will be 8 lakh rupees loss. Oh my god. Estimated loss. Step number 2. Step number 2. Calculate. Come on, come on, come on. Calculate current year profit and loss. Those which are enjoying the dinner, please forget this for some time. मम्मी पराठे मत लाओ, नहीं तो सर डांटेंगे. बेटा मत खाओ पराठे, देखो रात हो रही है और तुम लोग क्लास में बैठे हो. जो लोग अभी डिनर कर रहे होंगे ना, मुझे पता है तुम लोग चाय नमकीन में लगे हुए होंगे. शैतानो, आओ. करंट ईयर रिवेन्यू. And what is current year revenue? Everyone, sir, very simple. For this, we need to calculate the percentage. Okay. Before that, let's calculate the percentage. So let's shift this step to next step number 3. Okay. This will be our step number 3 now. Yes, step number 3. First, calculate the percentage of completion. Stage of completion by percentage cost method. Very simple, very simple, very simple. Actual cost incurred divided by what I'm telling you, actual cost incurred divided by estimated total cost multiplied by 100. Beta, in the current year, you are finding how much costs have been incurred. Sir, 30 have been incurred. Okay. And estimated total cost is there, that is 120 multiplied by 100 is equal to 25%. So easy. Anyways, now contract price is there, that is how much? 112 and multiplied by 25%. That is what? That is your current year revenue. That will be belonging to current year. Yes. So how much revenue will be in the current year that will be booked? That will be 28 rupees minus current year cost, and that is how much? Of course, that is 30. So beta, very simple, very simple, very simple. That is your loss of rupees 2 rupees. That is what? Current year actual loss. डिनर आज जल्दी ही कर लिया है सर. हाँ, आज पाँव धोकर बैठे हैं, 1 मिनट का भी ब्रेक नहीं चाहिए. ओके बेटा, वेरी गुड. Forgot to add third year cost in estimated cost. How you can say beta? Future cost is there, that is 90 rupees. Contract belongs to 2 years. Okay, yes, 3 years. Yes, you are right. Question has given us the additional cost. It means that belongs to future all years, whether second or third. Okay, beta. Who was asking? Yes. Okay, beta. KS. Next, beta. We are seeing in the very future that overall loss will be there 8 lakh, and out of that current year loss is how much? That is 2 lakh. It means we have to make some provision. We have to make some provision for future loss. That is how much we have to create, so that total total loss can can be booked in our books. What the provision we need to create so that we may book the complete loss. आज तो अकाउंट्स या हम डिनर पानी कुछ नहीं चाहिए सर. वेरी गुड कदम रिबट. Current year loss is the provision for loss of 6. Very good. Got it, sir. Okay, beta. So, beta, we have to create balancing figure as current year provision. Okay, beta. So, beta, this is what? This is 06. Sir, what about the next year? Come on, everyone. As I told you, if you follow the steps, you will find the answer of each and every question which can be asked in this accounting standard. And this is really very research steps. Even in practical life also, I am using with the client the same. And I usually suggest to the clients, then kindly see the videos already, or future chartered accountants are seeing those videos. Anyways, let's complete this question for second year also. Come on, everyone. Sir. Yes, beta. At the second year end, 31st March 2003. Even if question will ask for 1 year, I will solve with all of you for all of year. Okay, beta? Only in that case, you will be having the confidence. Anyways, for this question is asking for second year also. Now, please see. The calculation has not been revised at the second year end. Come on, everyone, give a clap. No calculation has been revised. It means the same calculation will be continued as per the requirement. It means there is no change in estimation. But if estimation will get changed, those will be clearly told you by the question. Such a type of questions in which estimation has been changed is question number 9. We shall be practicing that. Don't worry. So next one, what the cost has been incurred till the second year? Beta, come on. What the cost have been incurred till the second year? Question has not given us the data, so we have to stop here. But we can find out because question has given us one thing. Actual, please understand, everyone. Please put your pen down. It's my request. Otherwise, there may be some confusion. Please put your pen down. Question has given us one thing. Please see. Question has given us one thing that is really very enjoying. That percentage of completion up to the second year is equal to how much? 75%. Please put your pen down. Very easy. In the very easy manner, you will get all these things. Up to second year, total cost, the actual cost is having the percentage of 75%. Question has given us the data that in the second year, 75% have been completed. It means, beta, can you please tell me how such 75% have been calculated? Yes, sir. Sir, estimated cost have not been changed. Yes, beta. Sir, percentage formula is same. Of course. Can you please tell me how much amount is there which can be called that is the cost incurred? I am waiting, but I don't have calculator. I am waiting for all of you. Give me just a minute. I am just closing the fan, switching off the fan. Yes, I am waiting for answer from all of you. Who will tell me what is the cost that belongs to the accumulated cost up to second year? Not even a single person has answered. Future chartered accountants, come on, tell me. Come on, let me know. I am waiting. Yes, very good. That is how much? The answers are different. Why? Beta, actual cost till second year. I want to ask you all how much amount is there which can be multiplied and the percentage will become 75. If you are saying 70 is the figure into 100 divided by 120, no, that is not the answer. If you are saying 90, okay, 90 into 100 divided by 120. Yes, very good. So 90 is the figure which can be called as the figure that is the cost till second year. Can I ask you how much is the cost which can be called the actual cost incurred in the second year? If total cost up to second year is 90, up to second year is 90. If total cost up to second year is 90, can you please tell me how much is the cost that belongs to second year? Sir, very simple. In the first year, 30 was the cost up to first year, and up to second year, 90 is the cost, sir. Very simple. In the second, it means in the second year, 90 minus 30 is the cost that can be called as the 60 that belongs to second year. That belongs to second year. So easy. Very easy. Please. This is the cost belong to second year. Can I write here? Yes, sir. Very easy. Yes, sir. Very easy. 60 is the cost that belongs to second year. Now, please let me know, everyone. Everyone. 75% is the percentage of the contract that is called YTD, year till date. You can say up to second year, 75% have been completed. Yes, sir. Can you please tell me what the amount of percentage is there that have been completed only in second year? Sir, 50% have been completed in the second year. That's the reason 25 becomes 75. Okay. The same calculation we have to do for the revenue. Sir, how? Beta simple. In the second year, can I say 112 multiplied by 50% is the revenue that must be booked in the second year, because 112 multiplied by 75%, that is the revenue up to second year, and out of that we have to reduce the revenue up to 25% which belongs to year number 1. This belongs to up to year number 2. If I reduce this, then I will find out that in the second year, the revenue is how much? That is 50%. It means second year revenue is how much? That is 56 lakh. Agreed. Let me know that everything is okay up to this or not. I want to know. Please give me your message, everyone. I am waiting for your message. Who will tell me? 56 हो गया भाई साहब, और 60 हो गई मेरी सेकेंड ईयर की खर्च, यानी कि मेरा हो गया 4 रुपए का लॉस. 4 is the actual loss in the second year. Oh. Okay. Anyways, so don't worry. All these kind of practice will be done in the next question also. For the time being, we have to check the answer now. Beta, revenue to be recognized for the year ended 31st March 2002. Crystal clear. Okay, sir. Crystal clear. Yes, sir. Okay. Provision 4. Yes, beta. Wait a minute. See, revenue to be recognized. Revenue to be recognized. How much? In the first year, come on, everyone. Sure. Very simple. 28 is the revenue to be recognized. So this is the answer. Yes, I will do that. Don't worry, Sathi. Wait a minute. First, I want to practice with you all these questions. Beta, in the exam, you must select this option, and if there will be space, then definitely you must be showing the working. Anyways, total expenses to be recognized in the year number 1. In the year number 1, sir, in the year 1, 30 is the cost to be recognized. Okay, so beta, this is the answer. Next one. Sorry, in the year number 1, na? No, this is not the answer. That is what? That is what, beta, in the year number 1, this 30, okay. Give answer from the format. This 30, I don't think so. There will be need of profit loss format. You already know. You have practiced in the earlier question. This 30 plus this 06. How patiently you taught, sir. Thank you. Hats off you. Thank you, beta. So this is the amount which we have to show in the profit loss statement. If you have any problem in this case, maybe you are having the problem in this case, but although we have practiced the statement of profit loss, please give it a minute to yourself. Statement of profit and loss, beta, maybe you are using the different format. Don't worry, use that, whatever you want to use. But I want to use this company format. Revenue is this one, and cost or expenses are this one. Beta, number 1, current year cost, yes. Number 2, provision for future losses, yes. Beta, question is saying current year revenue is how much? How much? That is 28. Year number 1. And what the amount is there? So current year expenses are how much? That is 30. And future losses 06. It means 36 the amount that will be debited to P&L. Okay. Please see. Question is asking total expenses to be recognized in the year number 1. That is 36. That is 36. Yes, beta. No. April 1, 2001. That is the starting date. Beta, 31st March 2002 is 31st March 2002 is first year ending, because contract was started on 1 April 2001. Okay, beta. Ankur is saying something. Comments are reaching. Wait a minute, beta. No, beta. Comments are not reaching, beta. Ankur. Sir, in second year, what will be the journey entry for the provision? Beta, wait a minute. I am coming to that. After this question, please break. Yes, particularly year number 1, revenue. Very good, अनमोल. मजा आ गया भाई, कसम से अनमोल. गुरुदेव, आपके चरणों में कोटि नमन. आज थोड़ा लेट हो गया. ओके बेटा राजेंद्र, कोई बात नहीं बाबू. सर, वर्क डन me always cost incurred up to estimated cost, upon estimated cost. Yes bete, yes. Anyways, now see, revenue to be recognized in the second year. Beta, what the revenue there that is to be recognized in the second year? You have already understood that. That is 56. What you will write in the second year, beta? 50. Yeah, this is what, this is your second year. 56. Okay. Now see what the cost is there. That is for second year. That is 60. That is 60 for second year cost. Please see first this answer. Revenue to be recognized in the year number 2. That is what? How much? That is C. 56. Now the things are more clear. Okay, beta. You will be get more clarity in question number 9. Sir, मेरा नाम कुलवंत है. Okay, beta, कुलवंत. Sir, can you please explain me one more time in second question? Yes, beta, I will explain in the second question. Na? Yes. Okay, second question, this one. Total expense to be recognized. Beta, 30 is what? 30 is what? Actual loss. Actual loss. How much? 30 plus provision for loss. That is how much? 6. So total becomes how much? 36, beta. Because question is asking you total expense to be recognized in the year number 1. Yes, beta. A simple provision, beta. provision for loss. Okay, current liabilities and provision. Okay, Vishal. Can I move to next, everyone? Yes, sir. Come on. Now see. Tell me. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Yes, sir. Beta, how much you have lost booked up to the first year? Sir, 2 belongs to current year and 4 belongs to this year. That is total 6 we have booked. So we have to create more provision for the future losses because how much? Only, sir, 2. Sir, 0, 2. So, okay, beta. Now see how you will do this. You will do in very simple manner. First of all, you have to reverse this provision. See, this is the way to present. In this way, you find out the loss. Yes, sir. Now you will add back this provision, reverse this provision, and then again. Now at the year end, second, you will be seeing how much estimated cost loss you are seeing 0.8 and how much loss you have already booked up to this, sir, 6. Now please let me know how will you present this, sir. Is the total expense to recognize this? Yes, provision for less balance sheet, beta, current liabilities and provision as per prudence 6. Yes, beta. 6 will be reverse. 4 हो गया हमारा करंट का और 2 हो गया हमारा 6. 6 हो गया ना, 6 मतलब 2. Yes. So total how much? More 2 lakh will be added. So it will becomes how much? There will be no loss, no profit and loss because we have already booked that. Out of this 6 lakh, you know, beta, out of this 6 lakh, we shall be reversing the provision of how much? 4 lakh because we have already booked this 4 in the first year. So this will be, there will be nil. Now what about the third year, everyone? Now what about the third year? Come on. If there is no change, if there is no change in the estimation, then everything is going on good. Year number 3. 31st March 2004. Beta, there is no change in estimation? No, sir. Everything is as per estimation. Yes, beta, we will reverse Ankur 4 lakh only. Now see, what about this, everyone? Sir, very simple. How? Sir, very simple. In this case, definitely at the end of third year, we will find out if there is nothing which has been mishappen. Then contract is 100% complete. Yes. Come on. It means at the end of third year, contract will be called as 100% completed. Yes. It means how much cost is there? Yes, beta. Very good, Ankur. Absolutely. How much amount is there? Which can be called as, that is the cost up to third year. Sir, very simple. 120 is the figure. There, in that case, we can say that is the 100%. Yes. Can I say, everyone, please focus more now. Please focus more now. This is the time when we need full attention. In the third year, we are seeing 120 is what? Total cost up to third year. If we want to know the cost belonging to third year, then we can reduce this YTD cost up to second year. Then we can find out the cost that belongs to third year. Okay, beta Avantika. Thank you so much, sir. Good evening. Sir, I usually come late due to my office, but I have watched all the classes. So nice of you. Thank you, beta. Sir, इस क्वेश्चन ने ब्रेन की कसरत करवा दी. My mind is more energetic than before. Anyways, very good. Now see. So can I ask you how much is the cost that can be called as the cost up to third year? 120, of course. That's the reason we can say that 100% cost have been 100% contract has been completed. So now, beta, how much is the cost that belongs to that belongs to that belongs to third year. Sir, if we reduce YTD cost up to third year minus YTD cost up to second year, if we reduce this, and this is what up to third year, it means cost belonging to third year is now coming into the picture. So 30 is the cost, that is the cost incurred in the third year. So can now we put this here? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, sing a song. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Anyways, can you please tell me, come on, everyone. Can you please tell me what the revenue you will book in the third year? I am waiting for your answer. I am waiting, beta. Even the question is not asking. Even the question is not asking. I want to ask you, beta. Each and every question you can give answer for all of year, for each and every year. If you are following this step, even the question is asking for first or second year, very limited things, but I want to solve with you all for all the year. Come on, let me know what is the answer for next year. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Very simple. I am waiting for all of you. Only few have answered. Only few have answered. Yes, come on. Now the contract has been completed. It means 112 multiplied 100% is the revenue up to revenue up to revenue up to. Come on, sing a song. Revenue up to 3 years. If we reduce from this, come on, sing a song. Revenue up to second year. Revenue up to second year. Revenue up to second year. Come on, sing a song. Revenue up to second year. How much is the revenue up to second year? Sir, 50%. No, 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 no. Don't say 50%. That was 75%. The contract was completed up to second year. 75%. And you have the cumulative figure. Yes. It means in the current year, how much contract has been completed? Sure, very simple. You can see from here also. From where? This one. 75% and 100%. It means 25% was completed in the third year. Very simple. So, in the same way, so 28 is the figure that belongs to. So, can I say 112 multiplied by 25% is the figure that belongs to third year? Oh my God. Oh my God. 2 lakh is the loss of the last year. But since such have been already booked in the first year, hence there will be only and only reversal of provision. Hence, but since we have already booked such loss in the first year, so there will be no loss booking in the next year because we are very, 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 very prudent. Total loss has been booked in the first year. So, beta, in this way, we have to calculate the revenue and profit and loss of each and every year. I hope I could tell you properly. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Yes, oh my God. How many messages I got? Okay, very good. So, beta, let's take a break. And after the break, we shall be solving the question number 9. Please, if you want to utilize the time, then you can give your feedback for me to ICAI, and at Google also you can search CA Dharati and you can Google review. Anyways, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying during the break you can read question number 9. The same question we shall be practicing after the class. Okay, beta, everyone? Yes. Okay. Divya is saying no break. Anyways, sir, my examination NTA UGC net dated that and that. After I will do very hard working as per your advice. Very nice, beta. I am really feeling good that if you are feeling like this, everything must be practical approach now because you are now going to be chartered. Even though you are not on the audit, you will be the chartered at the same pace with the practical exposure you are practicing here. Anyways, okay, let's take a break. I shall be waiting for your feedback. सर प्लीज ब्रेक लगा दीजिए। So everyone, come on, give message to show your presence fast. And one of you was asking sir second और third year का भी बता दीजिए pre-annual में. बेटा see, in the second and third year this will be the presentation. So please see, in this way you have to present in the financials. Now come to come to question number 9. गुड इवनिंग सर, आई हैव प्रॉब्लम लाइक मैंने डायरेक्ट कंट्री स्टूडेंट्स आर्टिकलशिप कर रहे हैं और इंस्टीट्यूट का क्लास बहुत आगे चला गया है और लाइव क्लास अटेंड करने का इम्पॉसिबल है मेरे लिए और बाकी पढ़ाई कवर नहीं हो रही है इंस्टीट्यूट की क्लास में। सर्वर्स कब तक खत्म होगा ताकि रिकॉर्डिंग लेक्चर देखने टाइम मेरे प्लीज रिप्लाई। पिंकी बेटा, all the lectures are there already at the YouTube. I don't think so you will be able to catch the thing so fast. All the subjects are running there. Anyway, that is not in my scope. I'm not able to tell you that same thing as I have to follow the schedule. For that, please contact to ICAI. Okay, Pinky? Yes. Okay. Why in Q question number 2 not 38 instead of 36? 38. Who is saying 38? No, 36 is there. 36 the answer. Okay, beta. Anyways, now please move to next question. That is what question number 9. And please do this question. Sirji. Okay, beta Ankur. Thank you. Now please see. Now please see. Question number 9. The amount of revenue and expenses and profit recognized in the statement of profit and loss in 3 years are computed below. बेटा हिंदी वाले बच्चे सुनो, तीनों साल का हमें ना इसमें डाटा जो दे रखा है, 3 साल का डाटा दे रखा है, कितना रेवेन्यू, कितना एक्सपेंस है, कितना प्रॉफिट। ठीक है, देखो ईयर नंबर 1 में रेवेन्यू का 96। ये क्या सॉल्यूशन है क्या? I think this is the solution. Wait a minute. We have to open the question. See, a construction contractor has a fixed price contract for 9,000 net to build a bridge in 3 years. Good evening. Nalayak, Shaitan. Thank you, sir. Pinky. No, now listen, everyone. Pinky Chatterjee is the name here, so I was regarding him Pinky, and she's saying, thank you, sir. By the way, I am a boy. My name is Pinaki. Sorry, beta, not Pinky. I'm sorry. Yes, I pronounced that. I love your method of how you teach. Thank you so much, beta. Pinaki. माधव, वेलकम बैक सर। हाँ सर, ये सॉल्यूशन है। हाँ बेटा सर, दिस इज आंसर। ओके, मैं इधर क्वेश्चन देखकर कंफ्यूज हुआ था। ओके बेटा, पाथ टीवाई के 1 का पीएनएल बता दो एक बार। बेटा भाविका देखो, ये रहा टीवाई के 1 का पीएनएल। सी मैंने बना दिया आपका, मैंने क्वेश्चन देख लिया था ब्रेक में। आप देखो ये रहा। 1 मिनट रुको बेटा, मैं एक बार बता दूं एक बच्चे का डाउट। भाई 28 हमारा क्या है, फर्स्ट ईयर में होगा बेटा रिवेन्यू, और हमारी कॉस्ट कितनी है 30 की, और 6 का हमारा क्या है प्रोविजन। तो हमारा टोटल कितना हो गया बेटा 36 का बुक हो गया यहाँ पे। तो हमारा लॉस कितना आ गया यहाँ पे 8 लाख का। सर जी आई एम ए गर्ल अलमास, यू सेड आलम, सॉरी बेटा अलमास शेख। ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट वन बेटा, इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर व्हाट हैपेंस। अब सारे लोग मेरे को भड़ास निकालना कि सर आप हमारा नाम ऐसे लेते हो। ओके ठीक है, इसमें कई बार होता है जल्दबाजी में पढ़ने में। शैतानों, तुम लोग शुरू हो जाओ। अब सब पहले तो ये बताओ तुम लोग में से कौन कौन से बॉयज हैं, कौन कौन से गर्ल्स हैं। मैसेज करो जल्दी से। हाँ, अपना अपना नाम बताओ, जिसका मैं गलत लेता हूँ एक ही बारे में बता दो। तो बेटे क्या हुआ, 60 रुपीज की देखो यहाँ पे कॉस्ट है, और 4 रुपए का प्रोविजन हमारा क्या हो गया यहाँ पे बेटा रिवर्स हो गया। क्या हो गया बोलो? 4 रुपए का प्रोविजन हमारा यहाँ पे रिवर्स हो गया। ओके, और इसमें से 2 रुपए का प्रोविजन हमारा नेक्स्ट ईयर में जाके रिवर्स हो गया। सी, एक्चुअल कॉस्ट हमारी कितनी की? 60 की सेकेंड ईयर में, और उसमें से 4 रुपए का जब प्रोविजन रिवर्स होगा खर्चों में, तो हमारा 56 की कॉस्ट आउटर कॉलम में आएगी, और 56 की कॉस्ट से हमारा कंपैरिजन होगा तो बेटा नील हो जाएगा। प्रॉफिट लॉस क्या होगा सेकंड ईयर में? नील। थर्ड ईयर में देखो 28 का रेवेन्यू होगा, 30 की कॉस्ट है एक्चुअल में, और 4 रुपए का रेवेन्यू, 4 रुपए का हमारा प्रोविजन रिवर्स हो रहा है, 4 रुपए का यहाँ पर, सॉरी 2 रुपए का। तो कितने की कॉस्ट रह गई हमारी? 28 की। तो हमारा क्या रह गया? नेट इफेक्ट नील रह गया। अगर देखना चाहते हो उसको कॉन्सोलिडेटेड वे में, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे देख सकते हो, ओवरऑल in each and every year what happened. Overall 112 revenue booked, in overall 120 cost booked, overall effect of provision since due to reversal in the next year, the effect is nil, and overall loss is there, that is 6. I hope I could tell you the things properly. सर मेरा नाम भी कादाम्बरी है आप कादाम्बरी बोल रहे हो? ओके सर, न्यू टॉपिक कब स्टार्ट होगा? दिस इज माय फर्स्ट क्लास पुनीत। न्यू टॉपिक विल बी स्टार्ट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास। बेटा आपको शायद इसीलिए फास्ट लग रहा होगा बेटा, क्योंकि हम लोग ना पहले रिवाइज कर रहे थे। जब आप आए ना, मैं समझ गया कि आप ना फर्स्ट टाइम क्लास में आए हैं। ठीक है, क्योंकि क्या हुआ, उस टाइम हम रिवाइज कर रहे थे, आप कहते फास्ट पढ़ा रहा हूँ, है ना? तो हम लोग रिवाइज करके फिर क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं बेटा, प्रैक्टिस समझ लो कि क्वेश्चन तो मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट तो सारा खत्म है, सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस चल रही है इस टाइम पे। नेक्स्ट क्लास में हमारा नया अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड होगा बेटा। आई एम नेहा, आई एम ए गर्ल सर। ओके बेटा, वो शैतानो, मुझे तो लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मैं ये लेक्चर अटेंड कर रही हूँ, मजा आ रहा है सर। ओके बेटा, थैंक यू सर। सर वाई रिवर्सल? बेटा रिवर्सल बिकॉज वी हैव बुक्ड इन द फर्स्ट ईयर, in the first year we have booked the loss, that is the not the actual loss, that is the provision, that is the estimated loss for the future coming years, for which we have booked the loss earlier, and now when the second year come, then reversal of provision is there, because those losses which will be incurred in future, those have been booked earlier. Okay beta, this one, so that's the reason those are reversal. And due to such earlier booking of loss, we have booked our future loss in this year, so total loss becomes 8. Anyways, okay beta Kanan, sir हंसी नहीं रुक रही है शैतान दिव्या। Okay, anyways, come on everyone, come on. Construction contractor, now it's time for question number 9. Really very 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 very, how many times you will write very, that will become shorter. Very 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 important. Okay, let's practice this question. A construction contract is there, and that the price has been fixed 9,000 lakh, and to build a bridge. Prince beta, you are pointing out, sir, you are giving the example of building only. See, the bridge has come for you, so bridge is there, that is that will be framed in 3 years. I am enjoying. Yes beta, sir आपके साथ हंसते हंसते मस्ती करते हुए कॉन्सेप्ट आल्सो क्लियर करते हैं। थैंक यू सर। ओके बेटा नेहा, so beta summary has been given for all the financial data. Year number 1 is there, okay, year number 2 is there, and year number 3, all the figures are in lakh. Initially agreed amount, beta please, at the starting of the contract, this was the contract price that has been decided. बेटा वो 6 का एक्सपेंस नहीं था बेटा, वो प्रोविजन था रिया, फ्यूचर का लॉस हमने बुक कर लिया था। ठीक है रिया, अगर आपको लगे फिर भी डाउट है तो आप दोबारा पूछ लेना, अब बस इस क्वेश्चन के बाद में पूछ लेना। ओके ओके सानिध्य, ओके बेटा, हमेशा हमेशा जरूर याद करके हंसता हूं। वेरी गुड बेटा स्वाति, एब्सोल्युटली परफेक्ट वर्ड। यस, नाउ प्लीज सी, नाउ प्लीज फॉरगेट दैट क्वेश्चन एंड नाउ come to this question. Okay, so initially it was agreed in the first year that contract price will be how much? 9,000 at the starting. Variation in the revenue, beta, at the first year end when we see there is no variation, so can I say 9,000 is 9,000 is the final estimated revenue. Yes. Contract cost incurred. Beta, can I say actual cost, everyone? Actual cost. Remember this word. Beta, please keep this word very seriously. Up to. Up to. Up to reporting date. Beta, if we are reporting at year number 1 end, year number 1 end, first end, then contract cost up to reporting date. It means up to first year, what the cost is there. Okay. Can I ask you again, if you are at the second question, can I ask you everyone, at the end of second year, if I am saying up to second year, it means such course has also been included in this 6168. It means 6168 is not only the course that belongs to second year, in which the figure of first year is also included. Very easy, very easy. So easy it is. So if you want to know the second year course, then we can easily find out from the up to 6168, we shall reduce up to first year, that is 2093. Very easy. And what about third year course, sir? If you are seeing here, this is what 8100, it means up to reporting date, up to third year end. This is the total cost, 8100. Yes, it means in this, can I say everyone, both of these costs have also been included in this, because question is saying up to third year, it means first and second year cost is also there. But can I say, if I reduce 6168 from this, then balancing figure will be year number third year cost. Okay. Next one, estimated cost for hold the contract. See, sorry, estimated profit. But how estimated profit is find out? So simple, estimated cost minus estimated contract price minus estimated cost. Yes. Now see. So I am going to discuss with you all one more important point. Before that, I want to see the message. Sir, as per prudence concept, we have recognized the laws creating a policy in the year number 1 itself. Yes, and write it off. Yes, very good, Swati. Sir, आपसे तो मैं टीचिंग क्या तरीका भी सीख रहा हूँ, फ्यूचर में काम आएगा. हो सकता है आपको कंपटीशन दूं, पर गुरु आप ही रहेंगे. ओके बेटा राहुल, ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट बेटा, ऑलवेज. मैं नहीं दे पाया अपने गुरु को. एनीवेज, सर माय क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंट. सर मैं गूगल. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा अवंतिका, आई हैव लाइक दैट. Kadambari Bhatt, yes sir, second year course. Okay everyone, yes. Now see everyone, so beta one more important point is there for which we have to take care of. The star has been given. Yes, what is that? See, please understand this. 100 lakhs beta, about this question is saying something. 100 lakhs. See, in the question you are finding here 1 star, it means star number 1. So this is talking about star number 1, this 6168. So question is saying in the 6168, 100 lakh have been included for standard material stored at the site to be used in the third year. It means such to be used in third year. It means beta, such will not be the cost for this year. So can I say, if I want to ask you the cost incurred up to second year, so this will be 6068. Is this okay to all of you? because beta, 100 is the material that will be utilized, that will be used in next year. It means such will be added to third year to find out the actual cost up to third year, because star number 2 is also clarifying this, that 8100 excludes 100 lakhs. So this 100 lakhs have not been included in this 8100. It means we have to add it, because this is what? This is the 100 lakhs for standard material brought forward from year number 2. Okay, beta. I hope I could tell you the things properly. Sir, please say some good questions. Yes, beta, I am doing that. We are trying to get into it. Year number 1 course is this one, and year number. Acha, okay. Now see, the variation in cost and revenue in second year have been approved by the customer. Beta, you know, the variation in the cost and revenue in year number 2 has been approved by the customer. That was the basic requirement. Today we revise the same concept, that until and unless the approval is there by both the parties, you will not be able to count that for revenue. Okay, clear, sir? Yes, sir, ekdam clear. Understood. Now see, compute year wise. Question is asking you, compute year wise revenue, cost, okay, profit and loss, to be recognized in the statement of profit and loss as per AS7. Beta, I have given you the steps. If you will follow the steps, you will find out the solution of each and every question. Okay, now please start the same process. In exam, you are finding this question. How will you solve each and every question in this way, beta? Step number 1. First of all, I am giving here answer number 9. Answer number 9. Step number first. Step number first. Step number first. Come on, sing a song. Step number first. Step number first. Come on, sing a song. Step number first. Calculate estimated profit and loss. Whatever the question will be there, you will be following this step, these steps. Oh, sir, so easy. Year number 1, year number 2, and year number 3. Year number 1, year number 2, and year number 3. Year number 1, year number has been given, year date, something. No, only year number 1, 2, and 3. Year number 1, year number 2, year number 3. Okay, I am not writing year number 2 and 3, because while we are at the first year end, we have to think only about the year number first, because there may be some mistakes. भाई देखो, जो बच्चे कह रहे हैं हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करो, बेटा बहुत सिंपल सा है. कोई भी क्वेश्चन आए, आपको यही 3 स्टेप लगाने हैं जो मैंने आपको बताए हैं, बस. ठीक है, आइए जी शुरू करते हैं. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एस्टिमेटेड revenue. Remember, you are doing all these calculation at the end of year number 1. Step number 1. Yes, you are singing song. Step number 1. Estimated revenue. And what is the amount of estimated revenue? Sir, at first year end, we are seeing there is no any change. The figures are in lakhs. Okay, the figures are in lakhs. At the end of first year, we are seeing there is no change in revenue, sir. It means at the end of first year, we are finding the same is the estimated revenue. Yes, but in the same way. Mohammed Sohail. Estimated cost, step number 1. But in exam, you do not need to sing a song. Okay, beta? Otherwise, examiner will sing a song and those will not be able to listen. So, take care. Estimated cost is there. at the first year end, we are seeing estimated cost is not been has not been given. Okay. Then another things are given in the question. Question has given us that estimated profit or loss. Beta, in the question has given us profit. Oh my God. Question has given us profit. How profit can be? Question has given us the profit, that is 950. So easy. So easy it is. Question has given us 950 and question has also given us these things. 1000. Next one. Then again 1000. See, it means while at the first year we are finding at the initial time that these will be the cost. Can I find out the balancing figure of cost? Yes, yes sir, very easy, very easy. That is how much? 8050. That is balancing figure. That is how much? Oh, variation in revenue is there. At the end of second year, there is variation in revenue. Okay. It means at the end of second year, why we shall be revising the revenue, then we shall be seeing the revised revenue is there. Based on that, so easy it is. I don't think so. There is so much. There is no. There is any confusion in this. Please give me. Everything is okay up to this. Now step number 1. Okay, everyone, give me message. I am waiting. Come on, tell me. I am waiting for a message, everyone. Step number 2. Now sing a song. Step number 2. Step number 2. Stage of completion. Calculate. Stage of completion. And if question is not saying anything, then always calculate by percentage completion method. Very easy. How? Very simple. Actual cost till date. Better remember, this is what? Till date. YTD cost. Till date. If we are at the first year end, then we are seeing the actual cost till date. Crystal clear, sir. Okay, sir. Understood. Okay, sir. Year number 3. Question is given us, beta. Revenue revise. Yes, third year revenue. Okay. Sorry. Yes, I have written here by mistake 9200, but calculated correctly. Yes, beta. No, actually, revenue was revised in the third year. Okay, and second year. Now, please see. Now, okay. Okay. That was by mistake from my side. So now everything is okay up to step number first. Please give me message. I am waiting. Let me know first. Step number first is okay. For the timing, I am writing the step number 2. Please tell me everything is clear up to step number 1. Yes. But that is same revenue fluctuation, not more than. Okay. Don't say 200 again revise. Okay. That is the same thing. Yes, sir. Clear till this. Okay. Now see. So what the actual cost is there for first year? Come on, everyone. That is how much? 2093. 2093. 6050 estimated multiplied by 100. How much is amount? Is equal to 26%. And what about next year? Next year, question has given us that actual cost for the second year is 6168. 6168, but question has also given that out of this 100 lakh material has not been utilized. It means that has to be shifted to next year. So this will not become the cost for the current year. It means 6068 is the cost, actual cost that belongs to second year. 6068 is the cost that belongs to second year. Sir, in step number 1, estimated revenue and cost is total cost of entire contract. Yes, beta. Yes, beta, Manish. At the first year end, we are seeing estimation. Okay, beta. At the second year end, we have seen this estimation, and third year also. 8050 कैसा है बेटा? Balancing figure. Question has given these things. And question has not given us estimated cost, so we have calculated that balancing figure. Okay. Screen is blur. Wait a minute. Everyone, please tell me audio, video, everything is okay? Yes, something is blur. Now, please tell me, is this everything okay now? Screen was blur. I am waiting. Okay, now everything is okay. Now see, beta 6168 is the total cost. Okay, कोई बात नहीं पार्थ. देखो 6168 क्या है हमारा? 6168 क्या है? हमें क्वेश्चन दे रखा है, लेकिन हुआ क्या बेटा? उसने क्वेश्चन एक बात और दे दी कि भाई 6168 जो है ना हमारी एक्चुअल कॉस्ट नहीं है. इसमें से 100 रुपीज का मेटेरियल जो है वो अगले साल जाकर के यूटिलाइज होगा. तो यानी कि इसका मतलब क्या है, वो इसके अंदर से अभी हटाया नहीं गया है, इसमें अभी वो शामिल है. ठीक है. It means we have to reduce. So to find out the actual cost of this year, what about the estimated cost of at the end of second year? We are seeing 8200 is the estimated cost. The estimated cost has been revised. Estimated cost has been revised in at the end of second year, and estimated revenue has also been revised because circumstances may change, and due to that, revenue and cost have been revised at the second year. So beta, what about this 8200? See, divided by 8200 multiplied by 100. So can I say up to this 74% work have been completed up to second year. Now, at the end of third year, we are seeing 8100 is what? The actual cost as per the question, but question has also given us that 100 rupees material that have not been utilized in second year, that was included in 6168, but that was not utilized in 6168 that second year. So such have been reduced from the second year, but that have been utilized in the third year. So it means that cost belongs to third year. So such 100 rupees have been shifted to third year because that is the material which have been remained in the second year, but that was utilized in third year. So such cost have been shifted to third year. So can I say 8100 plus 100, that is the 8200 total actual cost of up to third year. And what about the estimated total cost? We are seeing there is nothing has been further updated. It means 8200 is the estimated total cost. So can we say that is 100% cost have been completed in the third year? So I am waiting and I am putting in my pen to understand, is there any issue? After solving the issue, I will complete the remaining part of the solution. Sir, year number second, cost 6068 include first year cost of 2093. Yes beta Hemlata, absolutely perfect. Sir, in 8100, why we added 100? Please explain that adjustment once again. Tasin beta, because that 100 rupees have been utilized. That material has been utilized in third year, and so it became the cost of third year. Yes, Priyanka, no issue. Okay, clear till now. So okay, now see. So I want to ask you all, can you please tell me how much percentage have been completed in the first year? Sir, 26%. How much percentage have been completed in the second year? Sir, 74 is total. Out of that, 26 was already completed in the first year. So in this way, we can say in the next year how much that have been completed. We can easily say how much percentage. 14 में से 6 के बचे 8, 6 में से 2 के बचे 4. So 48 was the additional percentage that have been completed, and 26% is there that have been additionally completed in the third year. Okay, no issue, crystal clear, sir. Everything is clear, sir. Screen clear. Figures are not seen clearly. Wait a minute. Everything is going perfectly. Okay, please refresh your net, beta. Anyways, so beta, after that, now we shall be moving to step number 3. Step number 3. And don't worry, this is really very good accounting standard which needs time to get in mind. Not only you, but also we all also. We have to revise while we are utilizing this in practical life. Calculation of current year profit and loss. Okay. Now please see. No, question has not given us beta estimated total cost. We have to calculate the things because question has given us this one incurred, that means actual, that is not the estimated, because beta because this is the actual cost and what the future further has to be incurred so that the contract may be completed, that has not been given at the first year end. Okay beta. So, and question has given us clearly the estimated profit has been calculated, and that has to be calculated, of course, in this way. So we have find out in this way. Anyways, now please see calculation of current year profit and loss. Beta, first of all, we have to calculate the revenue. A, current year revenue minus B, current year cost, and after reducing this current year cost, we shall be able to find out the C, that is what? Current year profit or loss, and that is what? A minus B. Everyone, please solve this. I am waiting that you will be solving first. We have to find out the current year revenue, we have to find out the current year cost, and we have to find out the current year profit and loss. सर हिंदी में कैलकुलेशन कराने का अलग ही मजा है. Yes बेटा रामजा, you are right. But I have to follow some rules. Okay beta, as per requirement of the class, as per ethics of the class, as per the guidelines which have been given to us. Anyways, current year revenue beta, can I say very simple? Yes sir. Up to current year minus up to last year. See, up to current year minus up to last year is equal to current year. So simple. Sir, yes beta. Sir, yes beta. Sir, 9,000 is contract price and 26% have been completed up to first year. Yes, there is nothing which can be called that before this anything has been completed. Okay, it means totally has been completed in the current year. Can we say total 9,000 multiplied by 26% have been calculated? So how much is the amount that can be called as the revenue for the current year? Sir, 2340. What about next year? Sir, in the next year, everyone, please see. See, 9,000 multiplied by 74%. That is the contract that has been completed up to second year. Yes. Out of that, we shall reducing the contract that have been completed up to last year, and up to last year, we are seeing that 26% have been completed. It means in the current year, additionally 48% is there that have been completed. So easy. And for that, the revenue belongs to that percentage is 4468. Better please use calculator. That is the current year revenue for each and every year. And what about next year? I am waiting for your answer. You will tell me what about the next year. How much is the revenue that belongs to next year? बेटा मैं करा दूंगा, चिंता मत करो अनमोल, कुछ नहीं छोड़ूंगा. अब हमें लेक्चर मिल गए थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा, मैं सब करा दूंगा. ठीक है, एक बार ये कंप्लीट करने के बाद में मैं पहले AS22 का डाउट लूंगा तुम्हारा. ठीक है, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, उसके बाद में फिर मैं करूंगा AS आपके जो भी डाउट आ रहे हैं 11 के, वो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हो जाएंगे चाहे. बट प्लीज सी, वो डाउट ही तुम्हें इसलिए आए क्योंकि प्रैक्टिस कम हो पाई हमारी. नेक्स्ट ईयर 9,000 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 100% माइनस बेटा उसका इफेक्ट आ गया ना पार्थ? सॉरी ये गलती हो गई. यस यू आर राइट, यहाँ पे 9200 है. वेरी गुड, 9200. सॉरी, आई एम सॉरी, वो मैं लिखना भूल गया, लेकिन है वही वही इफेक्ट लिया. 9200 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100 माइनस माइनस व्हाट 9200 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7400, 74%. ओके बेटा, नाउ व्हाट 9200, सॉरी ये हमें हटाना पड़ेगा. 9200 multiplied by 26%. Yes. How much is amount? That is 2392. Yes, but I have updated that. Yes, beta Manish, definitely we can prepare laser also. Don't worry. Now see, these are the revenue for each and every year. Next one. What about the cost? Sir, very simple. Up to current year minus up to last year. Beta, we have to calculate in this way because estimations are getting revised. Okay, and that's the reason YTD calculation is done in these contracts. Anyways, now if although I am not seeing any doubt, if any doubt is there and if I could not attend your message, then please always repeat your message here. Okay, if you are having doubt and I could not attend your message due to screen scrolling of screen. Anyways, up to current year, what is the cost, beta? So that has been given clearly. that up to first year the cost is 2093. Okay, and nothing is there, and nothing is there which can be called as up to last year. So every cost belonging to here is 2093. Next one. What about next, sir? In next, you will be finding that 6068. We have seen here 6068 is the cost that belongs to last year. So, sorry, up to second year. So we are reducing from here. 6068 is the cost up to second year. Out of that, we are reducing this. 2093 is the cost up to last year. So what is the difference? 4468 is the cost that belongs to second year. Okay. Yes. Now, what about next? Sir, up to 3 years. Total cost, actual cost is how much? 8200. And if we reduce from this 8200, the actual cost up to second year, that is 6068. So we are finding here the difference that belongs to third year cost, 2132. But that is 4468. You are saying 4416. Wait a minute. That is 4416. Okay, please check everyone. Is there any problem in this case? Okay, I have to calculate. Wait a minute. 92. Wait a minute. I don't have calculator actually. At present. 9200 multiplied by 74%. That is how much? Wait a minute. 6808, and then when we reduce 9000 multiplied by 26%, that is what? 2340, which has been booked up to earlier year. Then we find out 6808 minus 2340. Beta, this is perfect. Actually, those which are saying 116, those are applying the 26% on 9200, I think. Beta, this is correct. 4468 is correct, beta. Because 6808 minus 2340. Yes. Beta, is this okay? 4468, who was asking? Vidate, Pratindya, Vidate, please tell me. Yes, beta, we can write in this way. Okay, sir, revenue is correct. Yes, beta. Now please see, everyone, come on, it's the time to खिसको. No, sir, खिसको. Without telling doubt, हम आपको खिसकने नहीं देंगे. Okay, beta, tell me what is the profit or loss, everyone? So 247 is profit, and 4. In the case of cost, is there any problem? Yes, cost is there. Here we have to reduce now. Yes, this is different. That is what? 3975. Yes. And the profit is there. That is how much? 493. And then 260. But please tell me, everything is up to this okay? Yes, I have updated beta path. Yes. Now is this okay? Second year course I have corrected. Cost share, you are saying 4468 is not. Beta, 4468 is correct because earlier, in the earlier year, you booked. Sorry, I am in revenue. In the earlier year, you booked 9,000, 26%. 26% of 9,000. That has to be reduced. which have been booked up to first year. At that time, 9,000 was the contract price. Okay, beta. I like your teaching style. Thank you, beta. Now clear this calculation. Surendran, please tell me. Sir, वो 48% है ना second year का? हाँ बेटा. Yes. Sir, please explain revenue second year. Beta, see, in the second year, what happened? Our contract price have been revised. Number one. In the first year, we have calculated the revenue percentage on this. But in the second year, our revenue percentage have to be calculated on this. So we have to compare the actual figure. So in the second year, 9,200 multiplied by 74% is the accumulated revenue that should be booked up to second year based on the revised contract price. But what we have booked up to first year, that is the same. That has to be reduced because we have calculated in the first year the revenue on 9,000, not on 9,200. So we cannot directly apply the 48%. That's the reason the calculation is done in the accumulated way, because estimation are got revised each and every time at each and every year. Okay, beta. I hope you are clear. No doubts are clear. Crystal clear, sir. Sir, if we apply directly 40%, बेटा अनमोल हम फंस जाएंगे उस केस में, because 9,000 पर हमने फर्स्ट ईयर में 26% लगाया. 9,000 पर हमने अगर लगाया होता, so 9,200 पर अगर लगाया होता बेटा, तो जरूर हम कर सकते थे डायरेक्ट. Calculation year 2 current year costing is wrong. Wait a minute, Manish, I am checking. Second year, but how you can say that is wrong? See, in the up in the second year, you know, up to second year, cost is what? 6068. See, 6068 we have calculated. Based on that, we have calculated the percentage beta 6068, because we have shifted such 100 rupees material to next year. That cost doesn't belong to second year, so we reduce from the cost calculation of second year and we added the cost to third year. That cost belong to third year. Okay, beta. So we have reduced that and we have added in the third year. Now listen. So 6068 is the actual figure up to second year. Out of that, we shall reduce 2093, the actual cost up to first year, and we shall be find out the difference. Beta, that is what? This one. Sir, please solve TYK 6 also. Yes, beta. Time for the no dinner, no disco. Okay, sir. Now clear. So someone was asking the doubt. Anmol, beta, okay hai? So again, I am waiting. This is the last time. Yes, but always we have to calculate the cumulative. Please tell me, everyone, that up to this everything is okay. If you are having any doubt, then please first ask the doubt about this question. I am putting my pen down. First, I want to ask to all of you that is there any problem in this question first, because whatever we are practicing right now, first that must be completed and don't take it otherwise. But if anything is pending, we have half more lecture. So don't worry. First, we have to complete each and everything with perfections. Okay, beta, we shall try to practice with you all more and more. But I want to know, is there everything okay up to this? Otherwise, give me your doubt here. No problem, sir. No doubt. No, sir. Amazing, sir. All clear. Thank you, beta. No doubt. Completed. No doubt, sir. Super clear, sir. So no one is having doubt in this question right now. Okay. Okay. Now I want to take one more question, as many of you have asked for question number 5. Complete, sir. Everything is clear. No doubt, sir. Super clear, sir. All clear, sir. Concept ekdam clear in detail. Sir, what will we do tomorrow? Bete Anmol. First, we shall complete AS7 remaining question. Exam question also. Okay. अभी क्लास खत्म नहीं हो रही है. Class will not end right now. Class will move on up to 9. Please. Now I want to practice more question. See, you are asking for question number 5. Question number 5. Beta 4 and 5 is in the cumulative way. So before that, first read this question. Okay, beta. Understood, sir. No doubt. Thanks for this mistake-free method. Oh, Manish, thank you. So mistake will not be occurred if you will apply this method. Yes, that's the reason I am telling you. You have to apply these steps strictly, and you will find the perfect answer. Okay, sir. Whatever time you want, we support you, sir. Okay, beta. Sir, thank you, sir. AS7 was very tough. You make it very easy. Only practice make it easy. Come on, let's discuss now question number 4 and 5. We have already done up to 3, and now we are practicing 4th and 5. Beta, Messrs. AV has Messrs. AV has presented the information. But first in this insert a line, I have discussed with respected ma'am from Board of Studies. There is a need to update here one line. I am writing that line. Maybe that could solve your doubt. See, please write down here. If contract revenue as I was telling you that there is a question in which you will need this to be recognized as if contract revenue is to be recognized on the basis of work certified. 4, 5 done. Very good. Now see, beta, after this assumption, you will be able to solve this question. Beta, in this question, revenue is being booked equal to work certified. So question has given us the work completed, work certified. That is what? 320. And question was asking in this question, what is the revenue to be recognized? Answer is 320. Maybe you could have different answer. I will solve this question by course completion method also. Maybe you were applying that. So don't worry, you have to apply work certified only when question will specifically say. I know you must be having such doubt. Beta, see what question is giving you. 370 is contract value. And what about the cost actually incurred? See, cost incurred till date 360. Okay. And work certified is how much? 320. Yes. Now please see. Expected further cost is how much? 50. So beta, what question is saying? Total expense to be recognized. To be recognized. Beta, can you please tell me? In this case, what happened in the earlier question also? Sir, current year loss, if any, plus provision for future loss. Beta, see, in the current year, whatever the things you are having here, come on, tell me, sir, current year revenue minus current year expense. And sir, current year revenue is 320. See, what is that? That is 320 as per this question. And current year expense is how much as per this question? 360. It means 40 is there, that can be called as current year loss. And sir, beta, that will be covered in next class. That will be started in the next class. Don't worry. First, we have to complete the practice. See, in the future, what will happen? Sir, very simple. Estimated contract, estimated revenue is what? Contract price, that is how much? 370 as per this question. Minus estimated cost. And what is that, beta? Actual cost, that is how much? 360. Plus, what about the future estimated cost? As per this question, sir, 50 will be future cost. It means, sir, 410 will be the overall estimated cost. Sir, total 40 will be there. That will be the total loss. Okay. Now, see, total expense to be recognized in the current year profit and loss. Is there any which can be called as to be provision? No. Plus, there is no requirement of provision of future loss because 40 is the exactly same figure that is being seen estimated. Okay, but it means in the current year profit and loss, this is the amount only. So answer is how much? 360. Okay. Is there any problem, everyone? Please tell me this is okay or not. Is there any problem? Then please let me know. If you want to solve this by percentage completion method, then please try. 87.80% will be there. Okay. And 325 will be current revenue by percentage completion method. I'm not solving that because there may be confusion. Yeah, you are right. Sir, both are having the same value. Yes, I know, beta. There are some mistakes that will be updated soon. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. And there is a requirement to update that. And we have already discussed with the photo studies and they will update this solution. Don't worry. Anyways, okay. Now it's the time for question number 6, everyone. Question number 6. Come on. And tell me whether this will be required for discussion in the class or not. Very, very amazing session, sir. Thank you so much. Sir, is there any difference between the option A and D? No, better. There is no difference. By mistake, the same option has been printed. Don't worry. Rituraj is saying, Rituraj is naughty. Rituraj is saying, sir, your answer is wrong. Option D is wrong. Option is correct. Shaitan. Naughty. Since both are having the same answer. Anyways. TYK 6. Yes, I am solving that. Monisha is saying, sir, solve this question. Yes, Surinder is also saying, yes, sir. Come on, everyone. Let's solve this question. LP contractors undertook fixed price contract. This one was 200 lakh. Better apply those steps. Okay, don't worry. Answer number 6. Answer number 6. Step number 1. Step number 1. Step number 1. Calculate estimated profit and loss. Beta, you know, for each and every, do you know any answer? Which answer can be fit for any question? Yes, these are the steps which can be fit for any question belonging to AS7. It's fact, sir. ऐसे हमारे नंबर ऐसे ही कट करता है सेम डेटा कहकर. नहीं बेटा, ऐसा नहीं है. आईसीआई कभी ऐसा नहीं करता. मिस्टेक्स तो सभी से हो सकती है ना, पर आईसीआई तो कभी चाहेगा ही नहीं, है ना. वो तो थोड़ा सा कोई भी मैनुअली जो चेक कर रहे होते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा हम लोगों के पार्ट पे रह जाती है. कोई भी मैनुअल पर्सन होता है. एनीवेज, एस्टिमेटेड प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस. बेटा, एस्टिमेटेड रेवेन्यू. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, sing a song. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Minus estimated cost. And what is the estimated revenue? Come on. 200 lakhs. 200 lakhs. But the figures are in lakhs. Then, what is the actual cost? Come on, everyone. What is the actual cost? Sir. Raw material cost is there. Yes. Unused material, sir. That material was although purchased but not used. It means, can I say raw material consumed is what? 80 minus 30. Yes, sir. It means 50 is the cost of material. Okay, I am writing here. That is what actual cost. Yes. And labor. Labor is what? Sir, labor is 60. This is what? Labor. Machinery is used for 3 years. Cost is how much? 100. Useful life is 15. Scrap value has not been given. Can I ask you depreciation? So easy. Sir, depreciation per year. SLM. Sir, 100 is the cost, scrap value 0 and 3. Sorry, 15. Life is what? 15. And sir, material used for the contract is how much? 3 years. Okay. It means 20 is the estimated cost. Okay. So can I say in the case of estimated cost, we are seeing these things. Raw material will be used, labor will be used, and depreciation on plant and machinery will be used. How much? Raw material will be used 50 rupees as I calculated. And sir, हम सीए के साथ सिंगर भी बनेंगे. Yes, very good. Divya, labor 60 as we calculated here, and then depreciation we calculated. How much? 20. How much is the estimated cost, everyone? Sir, very simple. 130 is estimated cost. Sorry, 130 is not the estimated cost. Actual cost is estimated. This is called actual cost. Actual cost. That is what? 130 and sir plus further cost. Question has given us that further cost to be incurred. That is how much? 80. So total estimated cost becomes how much? 210. So beta, can I say step number 1 is okay. 10 rupees estimated loss is there. Why nil in previous question? Where beta? Venkatraman? Where nil? Come on everyone. Venkatraman, I am waiting for your doubt. Another cost is there? Yes. Now step number 2. Step number 2. Beta, I am waiting for your one more line. Venkatraman, please tell me the doubt. Step number 2. Calculate stage of completion. But nothing has been given, then by percentage method. That is how much? Of course, actual cost. Actual cost divided by estimated total cost multiplied by 100. But actual cost is how much? 130. Sorry. Actual cost is how much? 360. Is there anything? Oh, yes, 130. Yes, 130 is there. Multiply by 100 divided by 210. ये रहा ना सामने. Is equal to what? How much percentage is there? That is 61.90%. Khatam sir question. Clear sir. Sir question number 5 last section. Okay beta, I will tell that also. Don't worry. Step number 3. Step number 3. Sir, is there any medicine for each and every problem? Yes, these 3 steps are the medicine. Calculate current year profit and loss. And what is that? Current year revenue minus current year expense. Beta see, what is current year revenue? Sir, contract price is there. That is how much? 200. And percentage completion is this one. Sir, this is what? 24, 124. And what is the cost? So current year cost is 130. Oh, 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 oh. This is what? This is current year loss. Current year loss. Can I say it? This is what? Current year loss. Now please tell me what the amount of provision required so that may be reflected in the profit and loss account. Beta, estimated loss is there. Yes, sir. That is how much? 10. And out of that, 6 has already been recognized in the year. It means further we have to calculate the provision plus future loss provision. That is how much? Sir, such has to be created so much so that our future estimated overall loss 10 can come into books. Means we want to effect the P&L by total 10 rupees loss. Yes, sir. It means we have to book more provision. How much? Sir, more 4 rupees loss we have to book. Okay. Sir, how will we present in the statement of profit and loss? सर आपके साथ सम करते करते पूरा स्टेप याद हो गया सर. Yes, beta, even the question is not asking, I want to tell you, see how the things will be reflected in the profit and loss statement of profit and loss. Current year revenue, revenue minus cost. But number 1, current year cost. Number 2, future loss provision. But what is current year revenue? Sir, current year revenue is how much? Everyone, 124. Yes, 124. What about the current year expense? What about the, okay, you wrote 230 by mistake instead of 130. Okay. Current year expense is what? Current year expense is 130. Okay. Current year expense is how much? That is 130. And what about the future provision of loss? मैं क्लास ले रहा हूँ. 130 में 130 future loss is there. How much? That is as we calculated here 10 4. But how much amount is there? Total 134. It means overall loss in the books is how much? This one. Sir, I message less but watch all your lecture. Okay, beta, Kanan. Thank you so much. Please always message. I wrote 230 instead of that. Provision for loss 4. Yes, beta. I hope everyone is okay now. Beta, is there any doubt in question number 6? So question was asking loss on contract to be booked. That is how much? This one. Okay. Beta, please read this question. This is the theory question. Both of these are in your homework. They can be solved by all of you. So now please let's discuss one last question. That is what? Question number 10. Come on, everyone. Come on. Only 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Question number 10. And we shall be discussing the AS22 doubts and 7 doubt in the later on in the next session. Don't worry, but as I have committed, after solving this, I shall be completing the doubts of AS22. Okay, beta. After that, I shall move to AS9. Now see, a car limited. There is a construction contract, beta, and the price is there. How much, everyone? This is what contract price. See, contract price is there. This is what contract price, CP. What about the things? Question has given us that for the year ending this one, but the actual cost is how much? Come on, everyone. This is the actual cost. Question has given us actual cost. Actual cost. Who will tell me the total, everyone? Thank you, sir, for amazing session. All the concept एकदम clear in detail. Okay, beta. Tell me, everyone. What is the actual cost? Who will tell me the total? I am waiting for your message, and you have to answer. You are only the motivation. I am waiting. I don't have calculator now. I have surrender. Tell me, everyone. So my question 6 problem above, sir, above. Tell me, beta. Harinder, बताओ बेटे. Yes. See, 1 lakh, 1 crore 34 lakhs. It is the total of these things. See, what question is telling you that it is estimated that spending further, but a further cost is this one. If I want to ask you, better tell me estimated cost, estimated revenue. Can you please tell me, sir? Very simple. 150 lakh. If I want to ask you estimated cost, what is that? Sir, very simple. See, already spent, that is what actual cost. That is 134 lakh and plus further cost, that is 3350000. Now please tell me, what is the total? So total becomes how much? So this total becomes how much? 1675000. Can I say in this case, sir, why we calculated year profit or loss? We cannot direct 10 lakh loss as contract loss. Ask, beta, that is estimated loss, but beta, we have to do year wise accounting na. Hence we have to calculate that. Anyways, how it's 134 lakh, beta, do total. Beta, if you do total, then you will find it 134 lakh. Labor charges, I think you have not added. Anyways, this is what? This is the total estimated loss. How much is that? 17,50,000 is the estimated loss. Estimated loss. Okay. Yes. Now, after that, beta, now what we have to do? Beta, we have to calculate the percentage of completion. Can you please tell me how much amount is that? Yes, sir, of course. Yes, sir, of course. Please see. Answer number 10. Step number 1. Estimated profit and loss. Yes. Estimated revenue minus estimated cost is there. Yes. How much amount is that? 150 lakh we have calculated as per the question. Yes. Okay, sir, it's correct. Oh, yes. Minus we have calculated already here the estimated cost, that is how much? 1675000. So beta, estimated loss is there how much? 1750000. This is what? Estimated loss. Step number 2. Beta, percentage of completion, how you will calculate? Sir, actual cost is what? 134 lakh. And what about the estimated cost? 1675000. into 100. How much is the percentage, beta? 80%. Step number 3. Step number 3. What about the current year profit and loss? Beta, this is the last question for today's session. Wait a minute. Yes. Now, what about the current year revenue? Current year revenue is what? 150 lakh multiplied by 80%. That is how much? 120 lakh minus current year cost. What is the cost, beta, for the current year, everyone? Sir, we have already calculated 134 lakh. So can you please tell me how much the amount that belongs to current year profit or loss? In the current year, you are finding the loss. Sir, in the current year, there is loss. How much? 14 lakh. That is the loss. That is current year loss. But in the future, we are seeing that overall loss will be current year plus future year. The loss will be overall 1750. So beta, now please see what the amount we have to do further. This is what? Current year loss. This is what? Provision for future losses. How much provision we have to do so that such overall loss can be equal to 17,50,000 estimated loss. So that overall loss can be booked in the books. Of course, beta, more 3,50,000. Okay, everyone. So for today, I think it's more than sufficient. Technical team has also to go to their home, and you all must be having the need of practicing at your end. In the next session, we shall be completing the past examination question also for this AS. Okay, beta. And after that, we shall be discussing the doubts, and then we shall move to next accounting standard, AS 9. So I am waiting for your message again. So do we have green signal for today? Let's close today's session, and I shall be waiting again for your feedback. Okay, everyone, sir, in 3 steps, we can simplify. Take 80% loss in step 1 for simplicity. Yes. और पढ़ा दीजिए. ये नलायक है, ये शैतान है. कह रहे और पढ़ा दीजिए. वाह सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 लास्ट सेक्शन. यस, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 लास्ट सेक्शन. व्हाट इज दैट? Question number 5 last section. Wait a minute. Question number 5 last section. Question number 5 last section. Wait a minute. Question number 5 last section. Bete, what we have to do question number 5 last section? Beta, there is nothing to discuss in this case. Of course, there are more than so of course there are same time of repetition. What we have to do? Thank you sir. Good night sir ji. I am very thankful. Tata, bye bye. एकदम clear. मजा आ गया आज तो. Thank you. You sir, you are teaching. You are standing for 3 hours. Yeah. Pack up. Superb lecture. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Good night. Very next session. Thank you so much. Your legs must be paining. No beta. Okay everyone. So for today we have to close our session. Okay, we shall be meeting in the next class. Bye bye. Sir, session close कर दीजिए.